Our innovative streak has an impressive ancestry. Since 1980, we have been adding to our store of contract knowledge, taking insights gained in one era to make advantages in the next. More recently, our engineering ingenuity has been put to excellent use, furnishing some of the first projects. Over 1,000 projects in 40 years. Over 50 technical staff. Over 250 skilled workers. 18,000 metres squared veneered wall panels and 2,400 metres squared veneered acoustical wall panels per month. In one of the top 5 companies in special wooden door production. $3,500 standard doors per month. 2,000 standard veneered cabinets per month. One of the largest 5-axis CNC in wood industry. Turnkey projects in all around the world. Daffodil. Fire protection. Sound insulation. Smoke protection. Radiation protection. Bullet resistance. Wet room. Projects on 5 continents. Our factory produces unique products by using materials such as lumber, veneer, wood-based boards that it supplies as raw materials, as well as thermoformable composite sheets, models that require special training and investment, such as stainless, brass, copper and tin. It processes many materials like natural and artificial stones, glass, fabric and paper that add special features to the decoration and eliminate its dependence on foreign sources. The design of our factory has been made by considering the comfort of our principals and our product quality, from lighting, heating and emission values to working and resting areas. Just like this ability in its production philosophy, it has succeeded in establishing an exemplary facility that can produce its own energy using recyclable energy sources. This is achieved through the investments made over the years. Our facility is one of the rare industrial establishments that can meet the heating needs of the entire plant throughout the year by using solid fuel boilers, which are very efficient and the most harmless class according to the measurements, where sawdust and dust generated during wood production are stored, and these stored wastes are used as fuel. The harmful paint dust emission filtration of our paint shop is at the level of 95%. It also has positive pressure Venturi paint booths and vacuum sanders. In addition, it is a carefully managed space with areas designed with clean room technique. The positive pressure Venturi system provides compressed airflow on the one hand and vacuums the air on the other. Thus, the paint particles that are atomized during paint spraying are removed from the environment by sticking them to the dynamic water on the floor. With this method, a closed paint booth system is created that is dust-free and extremely convenient for perfect paint quality. Dust particles are transported to the filter room with the continuously circulating water and are removed from the environment without harming both nature and the employees. We are committed to playing our part to address the climate crisis by reducing greenhouse gas emissions across our value chain. As part of our commitment to the climate goals outlined in the Paris Agreement, we know ambitions of near-term action to decarbonise our operations. We think environment first. In every process, we optimise consumption and nature protection. We are committed to energy saving and carbon dioxide reduction. Nergiz was aiming to produce 100% of electricity from renewable resources to power its whole business by 2021. In the first quarter of 2021, solar panels installed on the rooftops of our production facilities. The US Green Building Council is a non-profit organisation that is committed to a prosperous and sustainable future through cost-efficient and energy-saving green buildings. Leadership in energy and environmental design is developed by USGBC in 2000. Certification provides independent third-party verification to build a home or community that was designed and built using strategies aimed at achieving high performance in key areas of human and environmental health, sustainable site development, water savings, energy efficiency, material selection, and indoor environmental quality. We are a member of AWI. We are the only company that provides certification with UL 10B, UL 10C fire standards.